I think I broke something again. I got no AC. Because this damn thing is leaking. It's leaking out of that fat thing. But I got a new part. So I'm going to try to fix it. And hopefully it'll hold some freon. And I'll have air conditioning again. One disconnected. 2 more to go. Well, now we got the one on the condenser here. Not a lot of work, not a lot of room to work on here. So yeah, got that out. You could sort of see the leak dye that was in the stuff I was putting in to hold me over, but it wasn't sealing worth a shit. Now onto the compressor. Well, that came right out. I'm gonna have to swap that thing over to the new one, a little sensor I just unplugged. Okay. I thought I was gonna be able to pull it out to the top, but I had to pull it out through the bottom. It looks like something gouged the shit out of that thing. It's the fan. I mean, look at that's been rubbing up against it, and just the fucking thing just keeps getting dislodged, and then the thing just lays back against it, and then it vibrates. I don't think any of the fan came in contact with it, so yeah, whatever. I do believe I have the right part, and that thing's got to go on that thing. Of course, everything was a 13, except for the sensor, which was a 14. Seriously. Well, I did come off those plastic plugs there, except for this part. So just to be on the safe side, I put a paper towel in there while I shove this thing back up. Okay, last one. Let's see if it'll hold a vacuum now. Well, it is time. See if it holds. They still haven't moved. So now we can continue pulling the vacuum for at least an hour before I can charge it. Okay, just gonna let it do its thing. Yeah, I think it's been long enough. Have to close them up and start charging. Alright, here goes nothing. Now I just gotta wait for that to say about 2.4, well 2.5 since I lost a little bit when that thing fell over. I'm on the second can now. It's blowing cold air inside now, so that's good. Well, we're almost done filling. That way. Let's give it a little gas. 2.2, he says. So. Well, I just hope I still have AC tomorrow. It held a vacuum for that duration. I think I let it sit for about 20 minutes with a vacuum to see if it'll hold, and then I pulled the vacuum for a little over an hour and then charged it. And that's what the vent temperature is like. Almost feels better, working better than it did. I think it's not like 100 degrees out here or anything, so yeah. And that is replacing a line on a Cobalt. God damn. That's gonna fuck up my measurement a little bit.